Hello everyone, welcome back to Odooistic, your go-to channel for all things Odoo development and customization. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom string to your email messages when you click the send message button on the chatter. So often when we send a message in Odoo, it goes to all followers of the record. Let me just show it to you. But before that, let me just show you what I'm using today for today's video. So this is Odoo 17. If you can just look at here, Odoo 17 Community Edition. And I have already installed Sales app. If you can just see here, Sales app already has been installed. If you want to install it, you can just write it here, Sales, and then here it will be written here, Activate. So you can just click Activate and it can be installed. So once we go in Sales app or any app purchase or any other app, so if we go in our quotation or sale order. So if you can just see here, so if we go in sales app, we can create a quotation. Let's suppose this is a new quotation I'm creating. And this is just a quotation at the moment. So if I send a message, this message will be sent. As you can see, it's here. And if you see that these are the followers, so if I add another followers, I can add it. So as you can see at the moment, there are two followers. So whenever I will send message, this message also will be sent to the followers as well. As you can see, Kulil Diaz and Michael Admin. So it's already written here, Kulin and Diaz. So let's confirm this purchase, this quotation. So it has been converted to sales order. And whenever now we are sending any message, it will be also sending to the followers as well. As you can see, and this is also in the form of email as well. So at the moment, my outgoing server has not been set up, so that's why it's not in proper PDF format. But anyway, this message will be sent to the followers as well. So what this video is actually all about, that basically to sending a custom string, a custom message in our email body, which we want to do. So how we can do that, let's just start. So for this, for the customization purposes, I am using Visual Studio, as you can see. So let's start it. So what we do, we just create a new folder or new module folder, which we call it mail string in messages. Right. And then in this folder, we can create another folder, which is models. And then I will create another folder, which is static as well. So two models at the moment. Now in this folder, we can also create the normal file, which is init file, as you already know, .py. And then I will also create another file as well in this one, which is the manifest file for all modules which we are creating. So we call it, right. Now in our manifest file, let me just copy and paste the manifest file content. So this is very similar to this. Or what I can do, I have this customization file here. I just copy and paste in mine. Okay. I call this mail string or whatever you like. Version, I would say 17.0. I would say 1. Customization, okay. Description, you can just put long description or whatever you like. You can just put it here. I would say Odoistic here. Company name, website, and depends. So because we are going to create or change mail function, so what I would say, we will write it here. We will inherit mail. We will depend on mail module. We don't need this file, so for now we can just comment it out. Application is true. Yeah, that's fine. So this is our manifest file. Uh, then in our init file, we can just add it, import from dot import models, because we will use models, right? Okay. Uh, Now in our model file, we are going to create a new file, which I would call as mail.py. Right. Okay, guys. So first I will write the code and then I will explain it to you that what I'm doing. So first of all, I'm just importing models. So I'm inheriting. Okay. Okay, guys. So first of all, in this line, which is from Odoo import models field API. So we are importing models, fields, and API from Odoo. Here we are creating a new class, which is mail thread, that inherits from mail.thread. That's it. So already in my previous videos, I have already explained that the how it works. So this is just at the moment creating class and inherit mail.thread. So now we are going to inherit a function which is called message post, which is already in mail.thread. So first I'm just writing the code and then I will explain it to you what I have done and what actually this means. So this is the function which is called message post, and in this there are two parameters, self, and then we have coargs. Okay, so first of all, we will get followers. So this is just this is just a variable name followers. We just create a variable, and then I will explain it to you that what this means. We will search it in mail.followers. It should be in quotes. Right. Okay, guys. So here, what we have done actually, we have just got all the followers, um, which is actually uh, the full string. You can just call it self.env mail.followers. So this is how we access the mail.followers model in Odoo. The env is a part of Odoo's environment which provides access to the ORM, and mail.followers is the model that keeps track of followers of records. After that, dot search. So search, the method is used to search for records in the model based on the provided domain. Domain here is res underscore model is equal to self dot name. So this domain basically filters. We are looking for followers of the current model, and then the next domain is actually confirming that this filter means we are looking for the followers of the current record, right, guys? So this line means is this, and then the next line we need follower details now. Um, Another variable, and here I will explain it to you once I will just write this. Or what I do, I will just copy because maybe that will take lots of time. So I have already, right. So followers details, this is a list comprehension that creates a list of follower details. So list comprehension, this is a concise way to create lists in Python, guys. It iterates over each follower in the followers list and processes each one to extract the required details. So let's break it down. So follower.partner underscore ID, what is this? Each follower record has a field partner ID that links to the REST partner model, which contains details about the follower, like name and email or whatsoever. So F a double quotes and then in parentheses follower dot partner underscore ID dot name and less than, and then follower dot partner ID underscore email. So this constructs a string with the follower's name and email in the format uh, like this, name and then email. So this less than and greater than, basically this less than and then the greater than is basically for that. It will show in this format. Right, guys? I hope you understand this. And then after that, we will just create this like that. We would say that this is another follower list string, another variable, and we say just join follower details with the comma. This is as simple as that. So after this, we will just fetch the sender's name by this. So what is this? Imagine that we have a sender name and self.env.user dot partner ID dot name. So basically each user in Odoo is associated with a partner record in the rest dot partner models, which contains personal details like name, email. So basically this retrieves the name of the partner and hence the name of the user. So example, if the user is John Doe, self.env.user.partner underscore ID dot name will be John Doe, and email, then we will also get the email as well, like this, like this. So self.env.user.partner underscore ID dot email basically will retrieves the email of that user's associated partner ID. So I'm just, yes, I'm taking time, but I'm just trying to teach you in a way where, it's just so convenient and easy for you. The next line, we can also the sender info. So here we are constructing the name and email all together. So in this one, sender name, it will be this send a name which already we have got it, then send an email in the form in the less than and then greater than format. If sender's email, else just name. So we say that if email is present, then attach email with the name. If not, then just email is fine. And then we are creating a body message after that, like this. We are just creating the message like that. So this snippet creates an HTML formatted message that will be included in the body of an email. Let's break it down step by step. So the triple quotes indicate a multi-line string in Python. F before the opening quotes indicates F before the opening quotes indicates that this is an F string, formatted string literal, which allows including the value of variables directly within the string using parentheses braces, and the content inside the triple quotes is standard HTML, which will be rendered in the email. Then this div style, font family Arial, you can use any font family here. Sans serif, I have used it. Font size 14, you can use whatever you like. This div tag includes inline CSS to set the font family to Arial or sans serif as a fallback, and the font size to 14 pixels. So this is the first paragraph. Uh, then P, the next paragraph, to provide you with the best service, or this email is generated by Odoo Stick centralized system. This paragraph informs the recipient that the email will be sent to other people. The next P. So here I have written this email and my replies to it will be sent to the following people, and then follower list string, which is coming from here, which already we have concluded. Then after that, these two lines we will add, and what these lines means. So basically body is equal to quarks.get body. So quarks.get and then body, this line retrieves the value associated with the key body from the quarks dictionary. So basically, dictionary quarks is a dictionary which already we are getting in this message underscore post method. If the body key does not exist in quarks, it returns an empty string, which is this next to it. Just in single quotes, that is called just a single a key. Then after that, combined body is equal to f followers message. So basically, combined body, this variable will hold the new HTML content that combines followers message and the original body. So f followers message, it will, which is this one, and then div style margin top 20 body. So basically, combined body, this variable will hold that combines follower message and the original body. This f string creates a new HTML structure. Followers message inserts the followers message, which contains the list of email recipients, guys. And then after that, div style margin top 20 body adds a new div element with an inline style to add a top margin of 20 pixel. So this div contains the original email body. After that, these two lines. So, and then we say that Quark's body is combined body, which we have already defined, and body's HTML is true. We also added. And then finally, we call the original message post method to ensure normal functionality, that which is through this. So guys, this is the whole function which we will use. I hope you have understood the the content which I have just added. I have tried to explain you in very easy way. Why I have not written this code, I have started writing it, but it was taking so long. So that's why I just copy and paste and then tried to tried to just teach you in very easy way. So here we have just added this file, but also we need to add another file here, which is a net file. And in that file, we will just import mail. Yes. So, right, guys, let's just restart the service. Let me again check it if there is any mistake. So we don't need to add any. Oh, this is not our manifest file. This is our manifest file. We have added mail, which is all right. Okay, so let's restart again. And our module name is mail string. We copy this. We go on our modules and we click update app list as well, which is important. So it just fetches all the current changes. And then we search mail string. So we have got mail string here. We activate this. So this has been activated, module has been installed. So let's go to the sales app again. We open our sales app. Okay, so let's send a message. So I would say, hello, everyone. Very happy welcome from Odoo. Okay, so let's send this message. At the moment, we have got 3 followers. Send this message. Okay, so it has not been worked. Let me just check. Okay, guys, so what I do, let me just open it on another browser. I guess this is cache issue. Okay, and we go in sales and try to do it again. Send message. It's my email. Send it. And voila. This email has generated by Odoo S6 centralized system, and this email and any replies to it will be sent to following people: Michelle Admin, my email, Brandon Freeman, email, Douglas Fletcher, email, and Floyd Stewart, email. Yeah. So these are all the followers this email is going to be sent. If I delete one follower and then send again, I send it, so now it will be sent to 3 people, not 4 people. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. One more thing. There is another thing. If I log note now, then again this string is going to, because I have inherited the mail.thread. If you want to change that, if you don't want to send, when you will click on log note, you don't want to send, then I will send you in my, tell you in my new video, in my next video, that how to do that. But at the moment, in Mitchell admin, sorry, in send message or log note, it will be the same thing. One more thing. If let's suppose that we change the state, then again this string will be sent. So let's suppose if I cancel this order, so you see that order has been cancelled. I set to quotation again, and now if you can see, that has been generated again. So yeah, this is how we can do this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like this page, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe this channel, and yeah, take care of yourself. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Thanks. Bye. Bye-bye.